Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today, we'll move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Whew. Let's begin.
Let's start in 3, 2, 1. Sit like a happy little Indian. Imagine a golden string pulling the top of your head up to the sky. Stretch your back. This pose opens your hips so your legs feel light, just like a wise master. Release your legs. Shake them like cooked noodles. Here comes the mountain pose. Put your hands and feet on the floor and lift your bottom high up. Your body is a mountain with a tunnel underneath. Your legs stretch like new springs. It's great for running super fast later. Get up, rise, warriors. Open your legs wide and stretch your arms out like airplane wings. Look at your front hand. Imagine you are defending a bubble castle. If you move, pop, they burst. Straighten your leg. Turn your feet to the other side. Change sides. Warriors on the other side. You have an invisible shield. We are stretching our hips so you can jump over giant walls in one big leap. Breathe hard like a brave dragon. Up. Take a deep breath. Now we are going to be triangles. Legs wide, reach one hand toward your foot and reach the other one to the sun. You are a perfect triangle. Oil up your hinges. Try to touch a cotton candy cloud. You are more flexible than a cartoon. Up, breathe in, lower the other hand. Another triangle. Can you see the clouds under your arm? Catch a sunbeam to recharge your energy. Hold it while you touch the earth with your other hand. Up, shake your arms. Get down on the floor to play frog. Lower your bottom like you're sitting in a very low, invisible chair. Push your knees out with your elbows. 1, 2, 3, frog. With this super stretch, you'll be able to jump over giant puddles without getting wet. One knee on the floor. Let's be pigeons. Bring one knee forward and stretch the other leg back, straight as an arrow. We are pigeons resting in the soft grass. This is where we keep our calm. Breathe softly, as if you were smelling a delicious flower. Fast as a ninja, switch your front leg to the back. Another pigeon has landed. Imagine you are in a soft, cozy nest full of colorful feathers. Your hips are melting into the carpet like ice cream in the sun. What a nice rest! Stretch your legs. Shake them. Now let's tie some gift knots. Cross one knee over the other to make a tight knot. Your legs are giving each other a super hug. This stretches the secret muscles we use to climb trees. Your hips are like bubblegum. Untie the knot, poof! Move your legs and tie the knot the other way. There is the other master knot. Breathe softly and watch your hips loosen up on their own. Imagine you are untangling colored threads. Your legs will listen to you much better now. Feet out. Shake everything. Lie down. Here comes the butterfly. Lie down and press the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall to the sides like butterfly wings. What a rest. You feel so light. It's like floating on water, like a soft leaf. Close your wings. Look at the next pose. Lift one leg straight to the ceiling and grab your foot. Infinite bubblegum legs. Your leg is a long, colorful ribbon. If you breathe, it stretches just a little bit more. Lower your leg gently. Bubblegum number 2. Stretch it very straight, like the mast of a pirate ship sailing through the clouds. Don't let it bend. Your leg is long, long, long. Lower your leg like a feather. Get ready to lift. Place your elbows firmly on the ground and use your hands to support your waist. Kick your feet up to the sky and balance like a candle. All the energy flows from your feet to your heart, so you have strength for 1,000 new games tomorrow.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!